That's pretty cool. Yeah. Yeah. We got a pretty good spot though, huh? Are you guys? Yeah.
Good view.
Pretty much. It's not too bad. Did you ever go to the one at the church before?
No.
No? You never been to the one at church?
No.
Something as good as this, I guess. Just depends on the finale, you know what I mean? It's pretty cool.
Yeah, I like it.
It's nice. So dark over here, though. Do you have another piece of gum?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of like, gum gets so dull. Yeah. Thank you. You want a piece? Where'd you go? Oh, right there. Like, hey, you want a piece here?
Sure. I've been chewing this one piece for like about 4 hours.
Yeah, shit.
I still have this piece.
That was pretty good. Oh, that's pretty cool. Purdy. Nothing beats New York, though, you know? kind of phone you got?
LG.
An LG too?
Yeah.
Okay, I was wondering why. I guess. That freedom ring, huh? You should be happy. I said you should be happy. Free as a bird.
I am.
Good. Eh?
Really happy.
That's good. That's good fireworks. That's nice. You should like. That's some bright lights. I'll send this one to you too. I like that one, squiggly. That was cool. That was funny. Oh, that is so cool.
Never seen that before on that one.
Yeah, that is pretty. That's badass. That was really nice.
It just looks awesome. I love it.
Hopefully this starts the country anew, right? Yeah, pretty much.
Look at right there. Yes.
Is your battery running out? I like the design on that. Look at that pyro stuff. Wonder how you guys. Wonder how you guys like post videos on Facebook. I should. Same as pictures. I tried before, but there's no link on it. I'm not sure if it's on my phone or what.
There's no link.
Huh?
There was no link.
There was no link. There's only a picture link. For Facebook, like video. Huh?
For who?
Just for people that are friends with me to look at.
Oh, I mean for a link to see.
For the video, yeah.
Oh.
Oh, that was nice. We should have bought some fireworks. Right. I'm just kidding. Now it's humid out here. What the heck? Yeah, I'm like dripping sweat. I'm like, what the heck? Don't worry, it's kind of dark. You're not gonna get in the video. I'm just saying. Don't worry, girl. Okay? Yeah. I know, man. Don't worry. It's all good. I don't blame her though. She sees how I blogs on Facebook, so she's gonna be like, "Yeah, I know. She's all hiding." I'm like, I only do blog because I haven't started working yet. It's all good. Get some graphic design going on these things. It'd be kind of cool if they have firecrackers that once it pops, it looks like a mural. Yeah, it'd be kind of cool if they could do that. You know what I mean? I should like email the companies. I'm like, fireworks. You know what I mean? Graffiti tagging on there. I'm just kidding. Oh, that was nice. No, a lot of people gather here. It's not too bad. Yes. It looks like it's gonna have a pretty good finale. This looks like. Have you ever been in the one at the church? Huh?
Or the actual church? Or
Our actual church, yeah.
the First Assembly?
Phoenix First, huh?
Yeah, I was there.
Oh, okay. July 4th, last year?
Oh,
Or this
last year? No, I wasn't
Oh,
there
okay.
last year. Or I was, but I didn't know about it yet.
Oh, okay. You should check it out one day. It's pretty cool.
Are you gonna go there next July 4th?
I'm not sure. I don't plan my days.
I know you didn't plan that far.
No, I don't plan that
Nice,
far ahead. Yeah. It's okay. Damn, it's hot though. Right? You know what I mean? Thanks from all the fireworks. July 4th. You think we should drive off right away or get car prepared?
Right now.
I don't know, just to make sure we don't get stuck in traffic.
You want to? You
It's up to you.
want to go now?
No,
Or
just
you want to wait another 5 minutes?
well, it's up to her. Yeah,
that guy's going.
we'll see.
Usually have a finale, don't they?
Yeah. Why is it red and green? Is that some kind of Christmas thing? I'm serious. I'm like, that looks like a little spider. That's cool. I sense a finale. Oh yeah. Now you're talking. That was so cool. Is it over? Is that it? Should I stop the video?
You guys ready?
Here we go,
Wait another 5 minutes.